Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's currently the first week of October right now, but guess what? Dollar Tree already has their 18-inch Christmas trees out, and I'm using one today to make a fall door swag. Sorry the box is already opened, but Kylie couldn't wait.
It's a Christmas tree.
Are you sure? It's a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
And what happened? You can't wait for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a Christmas tree.
But it's only September. Is it too early for Christmas?
It's a Christmas tree.
Do you want to have Christmas now?
Okay.
Leave me a Christmas tree emoji in the comments down below if, like Kylie, you're already thinking about Christmas. Today we're making a door swag for fall, and to do that, we want to fan the branches out straight to the sides so that this tree will be able to hang upside down like a door swag, flat against the door or wall, wherever you want to use it. You can totally customize this with your personal choice of florals. For me, I'm using a combination of pink, purple, and orange. Pink magnolias from the Christmas section, sparkly orange branches from the Halloween section, orange leaves and purple gerbera daisies from the fall section, as well as one bunch of these Christmas hydrangeas. I thought that the texture of these would be perfect to add in with the flowers. I thought it gave actually a real fall feel. They also had some great choices for bright orange and yellow flowers, and I included one bunch of the orange dahlias in here. I would recommend kind of laying out your florals before you take the tags off them to see how the color combinations look together and just see what you like. Just in case you want to change anything or exchange it at the store, you won't have already cut all the tags off. I also wanted to point out that these scissors from Dollar Tree have a little indent part here, and I don't know what this is supposed to be for exactly, but I found that for me, it works great as a wire cutter. So I don't know if they made it to be that way, but it works really great. I can use this little spot to cut all my flower stems. And you don't need too long of stems for this because we're just going to be hot gluing everything directly onto the green Christmas tree base. I decided to layer the orange sparkly branches on here first and have them kind of hang off the side. They're all going to be kind of coming out from the middle, just using hot glue to attach those. And then I did the same thing with the autumn leaves.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place.
Now for the flowers, I pushed all the leaves right up under the flowers and then cut the stems, just giving myself maybe like an inch or so of stem to work with. You probably don't even really need the whole inch, but just to have a little bit of space to work with, you can glue your flowers on in a zigzag pattern, or you could do a group clusters of like 2 or 3 flowers here and there across the top. However you want to arrange them, it's totally up to you. Again, I'd recommend laying them out quickly to get an idea what you want to do before you then actually start gluing them on. Once I finished adding my florals, I decided to take a leftover piece of ribbon that I had left over, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make a bow with that. I took the longer one of the 2 loose ends and I just looped that around the middle and tied it in the back so that the middle would look more finished here and not be a knot. You would actually just see like another piece of ribbon. I hope this kind of makes sense, but then I finally took my loose ends from the bow and folded them back up toward the back and used some hot glue to keep them in place there. And this way I made a little bit larger of a bow. I just wanted the ends to be a little bit neater this way, because this way they're kind of tucked up in a loop here up by the top. Of course, you could leave your ends just long and flowy and just have the ribbon kind of coming down from the bow. I just preferred the look of this because I wanted all of the flowers to be more visible. But you can do it however you like. In fact, you probably don't even need to do a bow. You could just add some extra flowers and leaves, gluing on up at the top to finish it if you don't even want to do a bow at all. Also, I want to mention Dollar Tree does have some like faux looking burlap bows I saw. I don't know, I think I showed them in my last Dollar Tree shop with me. They were kind of like a brown burlap looking with orange and yellow on them. Anyway, that would probably be really cute to clip on as well. So if you're not interested in trying to tie your own bow, but you still want to get one, you might be able to pick up something like that. And then to make a hanger for it, you can use ribbon, twine rope, or even a pipe cleaner like I'm doing here. I made a knot around what would have been the tree trunk here, the base of the tree trunk, and then the ends of it, I twisted together tightly. So I made my knot and then I twisted the ends of the pipe cleaner. Now to give myself a loop, I twisted them kind of together in opposite directions, and this made the perfect hanger to hang it up. You could hang this inside or outside, or even grab one of those battery light packs that Dollar Tree has, and you could weave that in here as well for a little nighttime sparkle. I had a lot of fun putting this together for fall. I can't decide if I want it inside or outside, but it's really, really pretty. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all soon in the next one. Bye!